if the volume buttons are not working on your iPhone. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just remove any case which you have applied on your iPhone as they could interfere with the working of the buttons of your iPhone. Now after you've done that and if this did not fix your issue, then just check if there is any dust or debris which might be stuck in the buttons of your iPhone. Now to clean the buttons of your iPhone, just use a soft cloth and then dampen the cloth with some isopropyl alcohol, and after that just rub the cloth on the volume buttons. And after you rub the buttons, then just press the buttons a few times to free up any dust or debris which might be stuck in the buttons. Then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just perform a restart on your iPhone. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Now at the bottom of the page, just tap on Shut Down, then swipe the slider to the right side and power off your iPhone. Now just wait for a few seconds until your iPhone is completely powered off, then just press and hold the side button to power on your iPhone. Just like that. And after the restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. But if this did not fix your issue, then just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on General. Tap on Software Update, and from here just check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. After that, just go back to the General Settings and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from here just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset All Settings. Now by resetting all the settings, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone. But if this also did not work, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And in the meantime, you can use the Assistive Touch to control the volume of your iPhone. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Accessibility. Tap on Touch, and from here, just tap on Assistive Touch. Now just enable this toggle and enable Assistive Touch on your iPhone. And after that, just tap on Single Tap and make sure you select Open Menu. Now from here, you will see this ball on the screen. Now just tap on the assistive ball, select Device, and from here you will be able to increase the volume of your iPhone and decrease it using the Assistive Touch. Now just use the Assistive Touch until you fix the volume buttons. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.